Hello everyone and welcome back to DeCoders. I am TypeHrishi and in this video I will be showing you the 3 best icon themes to use in Linux. Also, Ubuntu 21.10 version will be released with GNOME 40 on 14th of October 2021. I am also going to upload a review video on it on the next week Sunday. So make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and turned on all notifications so that you will receive instant updates of our latest video. Now let's begin the video. On the number 3 spot we have Candy Icon Themes. Candy Icon Theme is developed by Alivera, who is also the developer of the Sweet Icon Theme for GNOME Desktop and KD Desktop. The icons work better with the Sweet Icon theme, but I will be using the Yarrow theme itself. Now you can see that I have a variety of apps installed and the icons are working in almost every app. Let me open up the app folders and then I will show you the folder icons and the file icons. Now let me open up the files folder and show you how they look. Here you can see that how the desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, snap, templates, videos and other folders look. And this is the winehq.key file and you can see that the icon used here is also beautiful. Here in the downloads folder, here you can see that the flattop or the .deb files are shown like this as a package box. Then these are the ISO files and here are the folders. Now let's go to the number 2 spot. On the number 2 spot we have Numix Square and Numix Circle icons. The icons are bright and look beautiful. These Numix Square icons are used by default in Linux Mint operating system, which is based on Ubuntu LTS versions. Here also it has the icon theme has covered all the icons here. Now let me show you them one by one and also I will show you the folders and file icons. Here I used the Numix Square icons and now let me switch to the Numix Circle icons and show you how they look. You can see that the icons are the same, just the outer covering shell of the icon theme is different. Here we have the circle and there we have square. Now let me show you the files and folder icons. The files and folder icons are same in the circle theme and the square theme. Now you can see that they are better than the candy icons theme. This is the zip file and these are the ISO files. Then these are the flatpak and .deb files. They are marked with a box or you can call it a package, and then where we have the deb package, it is written as deb here. And here we have the tar file, so it is written as tar here, and this is the zip file. Now let's move on to the number 1 spot. On the number 1 spot we have Papirus icon theme. The Papirus icon theme is clearly the best icon theme we have on Linux. This icon theme is used by default on Pop OS and Fedora and many other operating systems. These icons are simple and look stunning. Let me show you all the app icons and then I will show you the files and folder icons. The Papirus icon team has over 7,000 plus icons and they are developing them more and more in the latest updates. Here you can see that the color of the folder is blue. Here in the downloads folder you can see that for the Flatpak ref files they have used the FlatHub icon, and for the .deb files they have used the Debian icon, as .deb means .debian, which was invented by the Debian operating system. Then we have the zip files, and here we have the ISO files. These icons are my favorite and I use it in any operating system which I download in the boxes or VirtualBox. The installation instructions for all the icon themes which I showed today are given in the description box. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to receive our latest updates. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, goodbye.